Hello, today I'm going to provide you with the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of November 2022. All four of our local markets have incurred median sale price increases since October, but let's first take a look at the year-over-year metrics. The following are some of the key stats relative to November of last year. In Guelph, the median sales price was $732,950, which is down by 10.6%. The average sale price per square foot was $463, which is down by 12.1%, and the total number of listings was 172, which represents no change. And the total number of sales was 106, which is down by 42.4%. For the Tri-City, in Kitchener, the median sales price was $680,000, which is down by 11.7%. In Waterloo, it was $739,000, which is down by 7.7%, and in Cambridge, it was $697,500, which is down by 10%. Based on these year-over-year figures, it really looks like our local markets are struggling. However, as I mentioned earlier, Guelph, Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge all incurred median sale price increases over the past month. In fact, all of these markets, with the exception of Kitchener, have rolling sale price increases since July of this year. So over the past 5 months, we've been seeing market price increases. And Kitchener's median sale prices are only down by a small margin from July through November. The reality of our market is that the Bank of Canada's interest rate increases have slowed down sales significantly. The number of sales have generally been on the decline in all of our markets since the interest rates started going up. However, new listing inventory has also remained low throughout the year, which has kept months' supply of inventory relatively low historically speaking. In a nutshell, we've shifted from a hot seller's market to a balanced market. With this shift comes a shift in how buyers and sellers should be navigating this market. This is something I'd be happy to discuss with you if you're considering a move in the near future. If the timing is right for you and your family to make a move, this market is actually a very good market in a balanced state to make that happen. Please feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks a lot for joining me, and have a great day.